Hey guys, so welcome. How do you add Google Authenticator in Binance? It's going to be a really quick, simple, easy step to do, so just bear with me in this one. So using your phone, doesn't matter if it's Android or whatnot, as long as you have the both of the accounts here. You have Authenticator and Binance. Okay, so on Binance, click here and then click here. See all these credit points here. All you have to do is just like basically wing it on this point. So first and foremost, to complete the process here, it doesn't really show on the authenticator process, but immediately you need to have to input the email that you're using in Binance and use that on the authenticator process as well, and the system will automatically update. And there you go, you'll have it connected from there. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.